Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best uses for funds from Stripe Capital. When I was running my own e-commerce business, getting a Stripe Capital offer was a game changer, but knowing exactly where to put that money was critical. It's essentially a short-term cash injection based on your sales. So the best uses are things that will generate a quick return and help you pay it back seamlessly. From my experience, there are three primary buckets where this type of funding excels. 1. Inventory and stock. This is often the most impactful use, especially for businesses with high turnover products. I once used a chunk of my advance to execute a large bulk order of my best-selling product right before a major holiday sales rush. Buying in volume lowered my cost per unit, and having the stock on hand meant I didn't run out during the peak season. Every sale from that extra inventory directly contributed to the repayment. If you know you're going to sell a product, using this capital to buy more of it faster is a very smart move. It directly fuels a revenue stream that pays back the advance. 2. Strategic marketing and advertising. The second best use is targeted, high ROI marketing campaigns. This isn't the time to experiment with untested platforms. This is for scaling up what already works. For example, I allocate a specific amount to increase my spend on my highest converting ad sets, the ones I knew had a clear, trackable return on ad spend. It's about spending money to acquire customers now, which, in turn, boosts your sales volume immediately. Since Stripe Capital repayment is tied to your daily sales, increasing your sales volume is exactly what you want to achieve. 3. Managing cash flow gaps. This is a less glamorous but incredibly important use. Working capital. Sometimes your business is growing fast, but you have a gap. You have to pay your suppliers for goods today, but you won't get paid by your customers for another 30 days. I use a Stripe Capital advance a few times just to bridge these cash flow gaps. It allowed me to pay rent, cover a large payroll run, or get critical equipment repairs done without halting operations or dipping into my emergency reserves. This stability ensures your business can keep running smoothly, even when your accounts receivable are temporarily lagging behind your accounts payable. It lets you focus on growth instead of survival. The key takeaway is this. Because the funds come with fixed fee and are repaid as a percentage of your Stripe sales, you must invest in something with predictable and short-term return. Inventory, proven advertising, and bridging cash flow are the most effective ways to make those funds work for you and pay themselves back. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.